Hello mga ka-vlog, tayo ngayon ay papasok sa isang bulmilan kung saan dinudurog ang mga bato para kunin ang ginto. Tara, pasok tayo.
Oops, wait lang. Kaso na pantalong.
Ay, madumi nga. Madumi nga ang daan, pero jackpot naman ang makukuha natin dito. Ano ba talaga to?
Bulmilan nga.
Bulmilan? Basurahan. Hindi.
Marami lang basura.
This is the actual picture inside of a ball or rod mill room. In this small room, you could see piles of sack where ores are stored for a while before it is placed in a ball or rod mill. This is where the ball or rod mill process starts. As you can see, you can use a rotating metallic cylinder, commonly known as the ball mill. It is a tumbling mill characterized by the use of balls as grinding media to crush ore rocks into extremely fine powder. It takes 2 to 3 hours of grinding until it turns into smaller fine ore particles. Aside from ball mill, you can use a rod mill too. The only difference is that they use long rods as grinding media. After crushing, mercury and lime are added inside the ball or rod mill and operates again the mill for another 30 minutes. After crushing the ore and mixing the gold extracted from the ore with mercury, the mixture is transferred into the gold pan. The miner will start to pan for the extracted gold, also called as pagpapabirik or gold panning. It is done inside a room where you can see small pools that contains water. This is the place where pagpapabirik is done. The man uses bare hands in doing this process. Again, gravitational separation is being done where two components of a suspension or any other homogeneous mixture are separated. Swirling motion is the system of doing the extraction of gold. After that, you can now collect gold dusts. One of our teammates is trying the pagpapabirik process. In this pan, you can see slush in it. You could hear some noises because the ball or rod mill is still working. Blowtorching is done after collecting the mixture of mercury and gold from the process of gold panning. Torch with blower could be a manual blower or a compressor operated. Borax, as seen from the video, is in the small yellow plate. Is added to the amalgam as a cleaning agent to remove impurities. After cleaning, the amalgam is then blowtorched again in a circular clay pot to separate the gold from the remaining mercury. The time in blowtorching depends on the amount of amalgam put into the clay pot. Now you can see the forming gold inside the clay pot. It is still being cooked so that it will form to its desired shape. After that, water is added into the cooked gold to cool down its temperature. And there it is, the final product of about 14 to 16 karat of sponge gold, the product of their penitence in the small-scale mining industry.